Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can invite your friends to collaborate on your Pinterest board. So go to your profile first, and for instance, I want to collaborate on this Pinterest board. I keep pressing that, which is a little bit annoying. So to do so, you're just going to select the invite here. Invite collaborators. You can invite them from just the Pinterest link here. Press invite. Or you can press copy link and you can send it to your friend and they'll be able to join your Pinterest board. That is pretty much, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. But that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. I think I already said that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.